Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to another Fabricate Friday video on my YouTube channel and blog. I have a fan blowing here, so I hope it's not interfering with the sound. It's hot. It's hot here, so I have a little fan going. It's one of the most silent ones that I have had in my lifetime, so hopefully it's not too bad. Anyway, for today's project, I'm sharing this really big box. Now I have big hands, so you can see how big this box is. We're talking 4 by 4 tall and 2 3/4 wide. So I do try to make bigger boxes as well as smaller boxes. They do take more paper. I work it out so that you don't have to use a 12 by 12 sheet of paper, that you can use your 8.5 by 11, and then I figure it out. So mathy. Now this stamp set comes from the Stepping Stones. It says, alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. That's by Helen Keller. There's also Follow Your Own Star. Great works are performed not by strength, but by perseverance. Wrinkles should merely indicate where smiles have been. Dream no small dreams, for they have no power to move the hearts of men. An obstacle is often a stepping stone. So really inspirational. Also a little bit of birthday, a little bit of encouragement. And I love this. So, and this paper is using the design a Daydream. So I believe it's a host set. And it's a nice thick pack. And there are so many very cool designs. So we're going to use that again today. But let's get started on the box build. Okay, you're gonna need 2 pieces sized 7 inches by 10 inches. So on the long side, on both of them, we're gonna score at a half. Whoops. 3, 7, and 9.5. We're gonna turn it around. We're gonna score at a half and 4.5. Samesies. A half, 3, 7, 9.5. Turn it round, a half, and 4.5. Okay, we are going to fold and burnish all of our score lines. Because this is a large box, what I'm going to do is make sure that I'm using my long shears. So you can see, here's the long sheet, and then this is a very tiny 1/2 inch mark. What we're going to do is we're going to start there. We're going to angle it, and we are going to cut down. Same angle. Get rid of that little square and rectangle. So now I'm going to cut up on all the score lines, and we'll figure stuff out after. Okay. We're going to do the same with this side. We're going to angle here on this long strip. Cut down, angle, get rid of that square and rectangle. And then okay, perfecto. Okay, so right now we are going to adhere everything together so we can figure out top and bottom. So this little tab will fit to this tab. Now all of a sudden you can see that we are 10 inches by 13 and a half. So I don't even think you could actually make this particular box with a 12 by 12. Just saying. Okay, so I'm gonna make this the back. It doesn't really make a difference. I'm gonna make this the back. That means this is the lid. So these two are the tabs and this one's gotta come away. I have done the build where I have made the second part smaller because we just cut away this, right? But it always confuses me, so I'm not gonna do that. All right, so I'm gonna cut our tabs in half. And then I'm gonna wedge. And you wedge out for two reasons. The first reason is we get rid of the score line, which is a weird thing. And the second thing is that when the box is put together, there's nowhere for this lip to actually fit in the box if the tabs were straight. So because this lip goes here, so there's a little gap in which to feed this part through. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to do opposite of this. So we're leaving the hole here for this one. So this, we're gonna take this off. All right, and then half, and then half. We're gonna wedge these guys out. Okay, kiddos, that's what you should have. I am going to use my adhesive here. I always call this the moment of truth. Ta-da! All right, so here we have the same Daydream pieces. We have two pieces that are 3 3/4 wide, squared wide, so 3 3/4, 3 3/4. Then we have 2 1/4 by 3 3/4, and then we have the top piece, which is 2 1/4 and 3 3/4. So I'm gonna do the top first. My goodness, I quite like that paper. It's fun. All right, so here we have the front and back. And then the sides. Alrighty, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the full-on sentiment in Old Olive. Let that sit. I quickly wash my stamp. I'm just gonna eyeball this with my scissor. If you have long scissors to craft with, this works. If not, I would use your trimmer. Okie dokie, we'll put a couple of dimensionals behind that. Then I will take this and adhere it to my scalloped circle. So this is a layering circle, and then they have the scallops to go around. I love them. Just adds that little extra. Now I'm going to put this together on my together. Hang on, you guys, I cannot see. Bring that in. And then I'm just going to cover these up with dimensional adhesive. Okie dokie. This box is so cute. So again, nothing too heavy because this is a fold flat box, meaning that it will pop open like that. And if you put too heavy things in here, that's when the bottom's gonna fall out. You can also secure it with just adhesive there, and that way it is a little bit more secure. But that is my share for today. So you guys know the scene. You can see all the supplies I used today listed below in the videos see more section or in the supplies section of my blog. And those fast links are going to take you to my Canadian online store, where I would love the chance to meet you and earn your business. So, and one last thing, you guys, you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I'm really close to a milestone on YouTube. I need something like just maybe 60 people to subscribe so that I hit the 15,000 mark. So wondering if you wouldn't mind doing all the YouTube-y things like subscribing and thumbs upping and commenting. I would love to hit, you know, that milestone sooner than later. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.